Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter about phone section, and here you have to find this custom build version line and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options here, upper of this about phone section. Here they are, all of our very interesting and very useful developer options. Grant access to them and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable developer options here, and after that they will disappear from your settings list. They should disappear, but they didn't disappear, and it's not my fault. I'm not a liar. This phone just don't work well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.